Do you want to know how much time you spend on your phone each day? Here's how to check it. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control, and then tap it. Tap Weekly Report at the top right. At the top, you will see your daily average screen time shown in hours and minutes. Right below, there's a bar graph that breaks down your screen time day by day for the past week. For example, if Monday shows 8 hours and Tuesday shows 5 hours, you will instantly see how your usage changed throughout the week. It's a simple way to spot if you have been spending too much time on your phone and adjust your habits. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.